Huh? Then you do yourself lah. Why are you presenting to us?
Okay, bye.
Okay, bye. Okay, the thing is, the problem I want to, the problem that I want to talk
That I want to talk about. What?
Is the end user attitude that affecting our operation and services, both at train services and bus services, which is, it is more related to impact the cost of,
Impact the cost
of all over our operational expenditure, OPEX. So the first problem.
What is the severity now?
Severity.
Problem,
Yeah, problem.
Okay.
So the first problem is the financing losses in the OPEX utilization from month to month all over the year. The second one is the waste of capex financing in order for us to solve the same problem pattern over and over again. The last one, which is the third one.
Example. Give an example.
Okay, example. For example, talking about station, the whole station lightings. So if the end user tend to not to switch off certain area during low peak hour, so it will affecting the whole electrical circuits and the whole lifespan of the lightings. So the result,
We will have to replace.
so we have to replace, and we need to utilize the capex certain amount from prasarana over and over again to tackle the same pattern. So this is not good for our company.
It is not.
This is not good for our company.
Yeah.
Okay. The last one I want to talk about.
I want to talk about. The final thing is it will disrupt our operational services when certain critical area, which are the lighting, is not there. It's not there.
So it will impact to our customer, especially to the public. People will start to complain. People will start to viral all the things bad for our image. So thank you for listening.
Apa solutionnya?
Solution. Solution kita cakap Okay. So back to the first one.
In order to solve these problems,
Okay. In order to solve the points,
these problems, I have the following recommendation. Number one,
talking about the financing OPEX. So in general, we need to change our working style and our attitude in daily activities.
Change what?
For instance,
Yeah.
I'm talking about office area. So let's say out of the office you have 20 people of staff. So at the end of the time, 5 o'clock afterwards, we have stay only 5 staff. So make sure the 5 staff only switch on the area that they are using.
Switch on the lights.
The rest of the lights should be switch off.
Yes.
That is it. The simple example. Then
don't switch on the centralized air condition.
Don't switch off.
Switch on.
The centralized air conditioning. Yes.
Buy a fan.
Buy a fan.
And use the fan.
Buy a fan.
A fan lah. Buy a fan and use a fan.
Okay. Instead of the centralized aircon unit, we can use the sleep unit aircon. So we switch off the centralized aircon. We use one single split unit as
the split unit
at our home. Okay.
Number two. The solution is. The solution
is, from my proposal, in terms of why we need to waste our capex.
Why we need
to waste our capex pattern
is back again to our working style. If we not changing our working style, if we don't change our working style, if we don't change our attitude, when we are work, so it will back again affect the same pattern. So
Example
lagi.
apa dia, aku tak tahu apa benda ni. Example.
Banyak betul example ni.
Every point must have example.
Okay. Example lah. Kejap notak. Example example for the solution.
Number two tu.
The example for the problem also.
Yeah, you say attitude tau. Example, the bad attitude of treating the company like your grandfather's company.
Okay, example, if we treating this company,
The bad attitude.
example, if we practice if we still practicing the bad attitude
Of treating the company
of treating this company like our grandfather company.
Itu?
So
We need to stop this.
we need to stop this right now.
Remember, it's not your grandfather company.
It's not your grandfather company.
Therefore,
Therefore,
switch off the light after.
Therefore, please switch off the light promptly when you get out from office.
Yes.
It's like treating your home. When we leave our room, we need to quickly switch off all the aircon switch, all the fan switch, and whatever the switch.
Number three.
The last one is
The last solution is
last solution. Last solution that relate to the operational service disruption, especially when we talk about during emergency breakdown. Sometimes the power tripping at station, the root cause when we check and do troubleshooting, it is just because of the cabling and the wiring of the lighting, which is overused collectively through the years, over the time. So if we change our working style and our working attitude, this kind of emergency breakdown would not happen, and it will not disrupt the operational services, especially at this station.
Yes. Last year
pula.
there was power trip.
Contoh lagi.
Last year
there
was power trip
There was a power trip
at Bukit Bintang.
at Bukit Bintang station, which impacted to the whole station services. In this case, we have a downtime, and then customer cannot go into the station, and then we have lost in terms of collection and revenue for more than over 2 hours, which is we lost more than 20,000 ringgit.
Yes. And when we investigated the root cause,
And when we investigated the root cause,
we discovered
and we found out that the root cause is just a insulation cable that are already deteriorates
because
because
never switch off the light.
never switch off the light. As simple as that. So, in conclusion, we need to change.
We need to change.
We all need to change our working attitude and working style. You understand?
Always remember,
To
Prasarana
Prasarana boleh.
is not
Prasarana is not
your grandfather's company.
your grandfather company. Okay, people, ladies and gentlemen, thank you for listening.